2011 Toyota Camry. Problem is no start. Cranks over fine but won't start. No security lights. No fire to the injectors. Has power but no pulse to the injectors. No pulses to the coil. Crank and cam sensor's good. Timing's good. All the fuses and relays good. Trying to think what else. I believe that's about it. Run me in circles for a little while, but it ended up being this computer right here, the ECM. Just wanted to make a quick video and see if in case anybody else has this issue, they won't be chasing their tails like me. It's had 2 new fuel pumps put in it by previous shops. And another thing is the scan tool. Any scan tool will not connect to the OBD2 port. As of now, I've put a new computer in. I've got pin 4 and 13 jumpered on the OBD2 port, and this puts the car in relearn. See all the gauges flashing, so it will learn this new ECM without having to get Toyota to reflash it. This is a 2011 year model, but I mean, I'm not real up on Toyotas. Don't know which ones will interchange with which and what models are the same, but maybe this will help somebody out, because I researched my tail off and didn't find anything. All right, have a good one.